Heavy social media use contributes to a stark decline in well-being among young people, with the effects particularly worrying in teenage girls in English-speaking countries and Western Europe, according to the World Happiness Report 2026 published on Thursday. The annual report published by the Wellbeing Research Center at the University of Oxford also found that Finland is the happiest land in the world for the 9th year in a row, with countries like Nordic such as Iceland, Denmark, Sweden, and Norway ranking among top 10 countries. The report highlighted how evaluation among under 25-year-olds in the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand have dropped significantly over the past decades, and suggested that long hours spent scrolling through social media is a key factor in that trend. By contrast, young people in other parts of the world felt better about their lives. Among the 147 countries featured in the report, India ranked 116, a slight improvement from its 118th position in 2025. Bureau Report News Now.